Chicken nigga, how you down at 60? You ain't never seen a bitch. How you down at 60? You ain't never seen a how you down at 60? You ain't never seen a 50 nigga. How you down at 40? You don't never keep that 30 with you. Ballin' on the court, I got a Steph Curry jersey nigga. I was on the 20 just in case you know I was federal. A real life, but in my music they say I'm paying bitches. A real life, but in my music they say I'm paying bitches. Nigga claiming that it's smoke, I'm tryna check the temperature. Nigga claiming that it's smoke, I'm tryna check the temperature. Chicken nigga, how you down at 60? You ain't never seen a 50 nigga. How you down at 40? You don't never keep that 30 with you. Ballin' on the court, I got a Steph Curry jersey nigga. Rock on work, I'm right back in the trap, back to serving nigga. Poor ass nigga eating chicken like Jamal Murray nigga. Nigga claiming that it's smoke, I'm tryna check the temperature. Nigga, we are not the same, we are not identical. Nigga, we are not the same, we are not similar. I'm a real chicken getter standing on principle. Getting money, skipping school, nigga, fuck the principal. Chicken nigga, all this motherfucking money, nigga, I feel invincible. You ain't getting no fucking money, that's why you ass miserable. Back in elementary, I knew I wanted to sell dope, nigga. Chicken nigga, how you down at 60? You ain't never seen a 50 nigga. How you down at 40? You don't never keep that 30 with you. Ballin' on the court, I got a Steph Curry jersey nigga. I was on the 20 just in case you know I went federal. A real life, but in my music they say I'm paying bitches. A real life, but in my music they say I'm paying bitches. Nigga claiming that it's smoke, I'm tryna check the temperature.
Y'all, I'm a chicken getter. He gon' get fried about that bitch. That boy chicken town. See the keys in the Porsche truck, had to hit the window. Fresh as hell, 14 with a dirty belt. I was 15 when I went off the road. Came back, poppin' shit for all them pussy ain't hoe. I thought the folks real till he rolled a statement on. Ain't had no car, bust a jewel, went to skating home. Day I hit the ATM, I feel like I'm a cash. Laughing to the bank for all the time that they would laugh. Turn a 14 to a 31, I'm in here doing mad. Ask about the L, where I'm from, it ain't no bad bitch.
Chicken nigga, how you down at 60? You ain't never seen a 50 nigga. How you down at 40? You don't